The equation of the line passing through 1 and 2 and perpendicular to x plus y plus 7 is y minus x minus 1. The equation of the circle in the first quadrant touching each coordinate axis at a distance of 1 unit from the origin is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1. Option A. Question number 3. The variance of the given data will be 46.66. Then question number 4. इसका आंसर है आपका 7. Then 5. The total number of terms in the expansion after simplification is 26. Question number 6. The value of x and y is minus 1 and 1. The area of the triangle with the vertices is 35 square units. The value of k is minus 6. Question number 8. इसका आंसर है आपका 23. Question number 9. If x raised to the power n is the 7th term of the same progression, the value of n is 44. Then 10 इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन C. Then 11 इसका आंसर है आपका cannot be determined. The sum of the given series is इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन A. Then the value of cot inverse x is 3 pi by 5. Question number 14 इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन C. Then 15 the value of the determinant is इसका आंसर है आपका 9y square plus into x plus y. The equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to sin x is x plus y is equal to 0. Then question number 17 इसका आंसर है आपका 3 pi by 4. 13 का आंसर है आपका 2 pi by 5. Question number 18 इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन A and 19 का आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन C. The area of an ellipse is equal to pi into AB. Then the solution of the given differential equation is xy is equal to constant. The equations of x-axis in space are y and z is equal to 0. The distance of a point P from x-axis is root b square under root b square plus c square. Next question number 24. इसका आंसर है आपका 0. Then the angle between the vectors is 2 pi by 3. Question number 26. इसका आंसर है आपका 25. Then 27 इसका आंसर है आपका 0. Greatest value of sin x cos x is 1 by 2. Then question number 29 इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन C. The number of signals that can be sent by 6 flags of different colors taking one or more at a time is 1956. Then question number 31 इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन C. Question number 32 इसका आंसर है आपका 0.116 kg. Then 33 इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन B. Question number 34 the expression for the corresponding magnetic field is इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन A. Then 35 इसका करेक्ट आंसर है आपका 2 by 3. Question number 36 the ratio of their respective magnetic moments will be 1:4. Which of the following forces exist because of mutual attraction between any two objects by virtue of their masses? Gravitational force. And what is the unit of solid angle? इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन B. Question number 39 the Broglie wavelength of an electron orbiting in the n is equal to 2 state of hydrogen atom is equal to इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन D. Next the net effective resistance of the combination is R by 16. Question number 41 the friction force that the floor exerts on the road is 100 root 3. Then question number 42 इसका आंसर आपका 1 joule. Question number 43 the gravitational force experienced by the body due to the earth at a height equal to 1/3 of the radius from its surface is 27 newtons. A logic gate circuit provides the output y as per the following truth table. The expression for the output y is B bar. The first law of thermodynamics is about conservation of energy. The value of instantaneous power is 10. Question number 47. The velocity of the system after collision is v2. The ratio of v1 is to v2 is 4:1. The length of the 400 gram rod is nearly root 72 or 8.65 centimeter. Question number 49. If this equation represents the motion of a particle executing SHM, the amplitude and time period of motion are 5 cm and 2 seconds. A particle moving with uniform speed in a circular path maintains varying velocity and varying acceleration. The magnifying power of a telescope for viewing a distant object is 28. Next, the number of electrons in the valence shell of a semiconductor is 4. Sun's radiant energy is due to nuclear fusion. Which of the following did Bohr use to explain his theory? इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन सी. Then what happens to kinetic energy of the emitted electrons when the light is incident on a metal surface? It varies with frequency of light. The range of a projectile fired at an angle of 45 degrees 100 meter. If it is fired at the same speed at an angle of 15 degrees, its range will be 50 meters. A radioactive substance has a half-life of 10 years. What fraction of a sample of the substance will remain undecayed after 30 years? 1/8 of the sample. If the two input terminals of NAND gate is shorted, then it acts as a NOT gate. What does a cathode ray consist of? Electrons. Photons are deflected by none of the above. Which of the following phenomena confirms the transverse nature of light? Polarization of light. Freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale is 32 degree Fahrenheit. In a Young's double slit experiment, the separation between the slits is halved, then the fringe width is doubled. Which of the following phenomena of light results in a mirage? Total internal reflection. The force per unit charge is known as electric field. The work done moving a unit positive test charge over a closed path in an electric field is 0. SI unit of inductance is Henry. When the charged particle move in a combined magnetic and electric field, then the force acting is known as, इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन ए. Then which of the following apparatus construction uses electromagnetic induction? Electric motor generator. What is the frequency of the AC mains in India? 50 Hz. According to Maxwell, a changing electric field gives rise to magnetic field. Then 72. Which law describes the orbits of planets around the sun? Kepler's law. Dimensional formula for moment of inertia is, इसका आंसर है आपका ml². A light and a heavy body have equal momenta. Then which one has higher kinetic energy? Heavy body. In the absence of an external force, its total linear momentum of the system remains constant. Then which of the following is an example of motion in 2 dimension? Projectile motion. Then in a uniform circular motion, linear and angular speeds are related by, इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन डी. Then question number 78. How much time they take to cross each other? 3.2 seconds. Dimensions of kinetic energy is the same as that of work. Electron volt is a unit of energy. The most electronegative element in the periodic table is fluorine. Which one of the following is the weakest? इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन डी, वंडर वॉल्स फोर्सेस. The mass of an atom of carbon is approximately 2 × 10 raised to the power minus 23 grams. Then which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? Sugar solution. Neutron was discovered by, इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन बी. The electronic configuration of chromium is, इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन बी. Then what happens to the size of atoms in a p block elements when we move from left to right in the same period? Size decreases. Which one of the following does not belong in the category of natural polymers? इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन सी. Then for an ideal gas, CV and CP are related as, option C. Which of the following is not a redox reaction? Dissolving salt in water. The most powerful oxidizing agent among the following is H2SO4. Then question number 92. इसका आंसर आपका हाइड्रोजन. The oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7 is 6. The IUPAC name is, इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन सी. The number of pi bonds in the benzene molecule are 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 96, कैलकुलेट द वेव नंबर ऑफ येलो लाइट। इसका आंसर आपका ऑप्शन डी। देन ओजोन इज प्रेजेंट इन स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर अकॉर्डिंग टू ल्यूविस कंसेप्ट एंड एसिड इज इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर एक्सेप्टर। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट इन अ क्रिस्टल? यूनिट सेल। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, इसका आंसर है आपका ऑप्शन बी।